Hey guys, Red Panda Mining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, yes, all my ASICs are off because I am getting ready to turn on more servers. But this video, I just wanted to showcase to you guys, I just got in a bunch of GPUs and I just wanted to show you guys what I got here. These were from trading. Okay, I traded a bunch of my Avalon Qs. Okay, the Canon Avalon Q, this one right here. I had a whole bunch of these. I don't know if you guys remember the video I did. I think it was like a couple of weeks ago. And I was like, all right, I'm not using these for heaters anymore upstairs. And, you know, summer's here, basically. It's getting hot. So I decided to sell them. Well, actually, I didn't sell. I traded for these, for GPUs actually. So a few of you hit me up and it was like, hey, Red Panda, I want an Avalon Q. I will trade you some graphics cards for them. So I traded out 3 Avalon Qs and I will show you guys what I received back in return for those Avalon Qs. Okay, so 3 different people. I did 3 different transactions. So I'll go through box by box right after today's video sponsor. Enterprise AI is the biggest money story of the decade, and it's been closed to you until now. Terra Compute builds enterprise-grade dual EPYC GPU servers. After 3 years of R&D at their own data center, Terra Compute is now open for business. Hosted in their own data center at a former US military base in Indiana on a locked utility rate no marketplace can touch. You buy, we host, no monthly fees, we rent it to enterprise buyers who pay a premium, and you earn more than the regular platforms currently out there. If we don't rent it, we don't get paid. Write the whole purchase off with Section 179, and at the end of your contract, if you're not happy, we ship the server to your door. You own real hardware, real data center, fast deployment, real returns. Inquire through a special form link in the video description below. Terra Compute, infrastructure as a service. All right. First box I want to open up for you guys is going to be this one from Mr. Joker Miner. I know you're probably watching this. So this one is going to be all RTX 3070s and like this. They're all Founders Edition 3070s and these will probably do really well for Pearl mining at the moment. 3070s. These ones have the 12 pin or 16 pin HWR, PWR power adapter. I never remember the name of that adapter, NVIDIA's new adapter. It's not 8-pin anymore. So yeah, Founders Edition. These will fit perfectly in my servers as these are 2 DIN slotted. So perfect. Height is also good as well. Okay, so let me just check the rest of these here. Okay, so here are the adapters. Nice, Joker Miner. Thank you, good sir. Awesome. How many do you have here? 1, 2. Let's see. I guess you guys will tell how many I traded for. Okay, so 1 Avalon Q for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. 8 of these adapters. Oh, Joker Miner. This one got a little bit ripped, but looks to be just fine by the looks of it. Okay, so yeah, there's 8 RTX 3070s in here. Founders Edition. So you guys let me know in the comments if you think that was a good deal. So a single Avalon Q for 8 of these Founders Editions. This transaction happened about a month ago, so just a bit before the whole, actually a couple weeks before the whole Pearl mining thing. So Pearl mining right now is exploding as of recording. So these 3070s I think make about, I think $5 or $6, $7 a day right now mining Pearl. So anyways, yeah, Joker Miner, these look nice, man. These, let's just go through all these here and then we'll go to the next one. Okay, nice. Oh, this one got wrecked. It's just a heatsink, but it's okay. It's all good. In shipping, I've had some damaged GPUs in shipping before. Joker Miner, I do like these. You said you 3D printed these brackets for the PCIe. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Okay, let's see if this one got hosed. No, this one is perfect as well. Very nice. And 4 more. Technically 4 more, right? Let's see. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Looks good. Let me know what you guys think about the POV content. I'm using a GoPro right now, and let me know how the sound quality is. I think it's the sound quality doesn't seem to be as good as my DSLR, but anyways, yeah, Joker Miner, this looks nice, man. Looks good. Okay, 2 more just to see the condition, and nice, looks good. Okay, last one. 8 3070s. Love it. 8 3070s. Perfect. Yep, nice. These are gonna go perfect into one of the servers that I'm gonna build. And what did you put? Rain poncho? What is this? Ah, okay. Joker Miner, you sent me some rain ponchos. I could actually use this. Actually raining today as of recording. Okay, Joker Miner, thank you for the trade, good sir. Dude, you sent me a lot of these rain ponchos. You know what, dude, my wife will actually will definitely utilize these, dude. Joker Miner, thanks so much, man. Thanks so much. Okay, next box. So another gentleman. This was for another Avalon Q. So this was within Canada, thankfully. These ones, Joker Miner, you're in the States, so thank you for that trade, man. This gentleman traded another one Avalon Q for more GPUs. This gentleman was in Canada here, so it looks like, wow, he's really packed these up well. I need to get a knife. Okay, so yeah, this gentleman in Canada, I forgot his name. I did communicate with him, and he was like, hey, Red Panda, I'll trade you some GPUs. And so I got a bunch here, and I forgot what we traded for, but I think it was for a couple 3070s and a couple 3080s. So I think that was probably a really good trade on my part currently, because where GPU mining is right now, I mean, it's crazy right now. Pearl's emissions is like what, $2 million something a day as of recording. Wow, okay, man, you packed these really well. Like, this is packed extremely well, and this GPU, EVGA XC3, dude, this thing is clean. Wow. This is an extremely clean GPU. Holy smoke. Okay, so we got one 3070 there. And, okay, let's open up this one. I'm gonna skip the cutting for you guys. Seriously, these are packed so well. I've never seen so much bubble wrap for GPU packing. I've never seen so much. This is just insane. Are these like brand new? These feel like brand spanking new. Like, even in the anti-static bag here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a EVGA for the win 3 RTX 3080. These are so clean. Dude, did you even use these? If you're watching this, man, can you let me know in the comments, did you even use these? Because I don't see a speck of dust at all on these, at all, anywhere. They are so clean. Dude, 3080. Oh, this is nice. This is gonna go well with pearl mining right now. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna make sure I don't I'm just gonna have GPUs literally everywhere. So I better make sure they're not damaged. All right, I'm just gonna pan to the next 5 GPUs here. All right, man. Honestly, I think this is the best GPU packing job I have ever had. As like a shipment of GPUs to me. Like, this is insane, man. The amount of bubble wrap you used is incredible for 7 of these GPUs. Okay, so I traded a single Avalon Q for 5 3070s and 2 RTX 3080s. Oh, just insane, man. And so clean too. I don't think you use these. These are extremely clean. Really clean 3070s here, and they're all EVGA as well. So really, thank you, man. Thank you for this trade. I know the people who traded me for GPUs, majority of them said they're not using them anyway, and obviously GPU mining wasn't that great over the past, like, I don't know, past couple years now. But let me know what you guys think of this trade. At the time, I think it was a pretty fair trade, but now that GPU mining is back because of Pearl mining, I think these are doing pretty well at the moment. We'll see how long it lasts. But anyways, 53070s, I don't know. I know these ones, the For the Win 3 editions, they look like 3080s, but no, these are 3070s. I got two of them here. And this is another one over here. These are the two 3080s For the Win 3s. So one thing, I'm gonna try to use or utilize these two 3080s into my servers. I don't know if they're gonna fit that well in them. I guess I'll try later, but the 3070s should fit. These are definitely lower and two slotted as well, which is nice, kind of like the Founders Edition cards here. Okay, guys, so yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one trade Avalon Q for these 7 GPUs here. Okay, next wild. Okay, we're going close to my crotch here. I don't want to show you guys this area here. Anyway, next Avalon Q trade that I did was for this GPU right here. Can you guys see what this is? Do you guys know what this is? It's a Gigabyte. It says Gigabyte. Like, these are like Gigabyte turbos, but it's kind of missing the top here, and it's missing, I think there used to be a fan. Right here. So these used to be turbos, Gigabyte turbos, but there's no fan. Looks like they came with these, I don't know what these are. Are these brackets of some kind? What are these for? Okay, anyway. Yeah, I got, how many of these did I trade for? So Avalon Q trade for 10 of these RTX 3080 Gigabyte turbos with no fans, just the heatsink. 10, okay? So these 3080s are probably going to be very good for, you know, the whole Pearl mining thing. And also I want to do the GPU rental thing with these. So I believe these Gigabyte turbos are going to fit very well into the servers that I have. So yeah, they're two slotted, right? You guys can see right there. So these should fit perfectly. Now the only thing I worry is these might be, this length might be too long. I'll have another video when I build the servers and put these GPUs in. So hopefully these are 8-pin PCIe, yeah, or the EPS. Yeah, no, I'm assuming they're 8-pin. So yeah, 10 of these guys. Let me just let me take them all out. I'll skip to that part. Okay, 10 3080s, Gigabyte turbos. These things are really cool. There's just no fans in them, but here's all 10. So yeah, my plan for these are obviously to try to put them in the server. I think, I wonder if I can fit all 10 of these in the servers. That will be obviously for another video. I'll do POV content, guys. You know, right after this video, I'm gonna like record building. I gotta build 3 servers then for these GPUs into those servers. So that'll be really good. And I'm thinking of just going straight to Pearl mining, not even doing GPU rental. I'll just do Pearl mining on these ones. Yeah, that'll be really good. Then when Pearl mining's done, I can convert them back into Vast.ai or SimplePod and do it that way. But guys, let me know what you think. I think I got a pretty insane deal here. One Avalon Q trade that I traded out for 10 3080s here for this one deal. You guys let me know what you think about this. This is a pretty crazy deal. I am so happy I can, you know, go back to GPUs and have GPU content again. This is where it's at, guys. This is where it's at. I hope it lasts, but we'll see. We'll see. I think with Pearl mining right now, Pearl mining is like what, $2 million plus $3 million emissions. So this could be the next Ethereum. We'll see, but I know not many people are into GPU mining anymore, so it could be lucrative for those that are still in it, like I am, or like still have the hardware to turn on. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, my friends, let me know your guys' thoughts about the trades, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in multiple POV videos, more to come with my GoPro here. I'm gonna record building the servers and putting these in there and getting them online. All right, let me know what you guys think. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Just insane. Just insane. Still storing your crypto on exchanges? That's risky. This is the Red Panda Tangem card. Simple, secure, and built for real self-custody. No seed phrases, no complicated setups. Just tap your card, manage your crypto, and you're in control instantly. Secure chip technology keeps your assets protected, even offline. I've tested a lot of hardware wallets, and this is by far one of the easiest ways to get started. If you want true ownership of your crypto, check out the Red Panda Tangem card below. Simple, secure, self-custody. Use code RPM for another 10% off. Link in the video description below.